Hey, it's Annoy from Moustache, and today I'm gonna be talking to you about my top 6 worst things about having a beard. Now don't get me wrong, I'm never gonna put you off growing a beard. It's the single most awesome thing I've ever done. Well, apart from getting married and watching my baby girl get born. But behind all those things, it's the single most awesome thing I've ever done. Now I'm gonna cover my top worst things about growing a beard. I mean, this is the worst of the worst things. Now let me tell you, the advantages of growing a beard outweighs the disadvantages by a mile. Well, in my opinion it does. I guess it's down to you. I mean, are you a man or are you a mouse? Now having a beard is fantastic. I've done some research. Now when I say research, what I mean is I've asked some bearded brothers what things about their beard annoys the shit out of them. I have to say, I got some hilarious feedback. But being serious now, after combing through the comments, I'm sorry about that pun. You know, because I said combing through the comments. Yeah. I've come up with my top and worst things that I wish I knew before I grew a beard, but it was never going to stop me growing one. So, number 1, food in your beard. Oh my days. This is number 1 for me. Number 1 for me. I can't tell you how many times I've had food stuck in my beard. Whether it's crumbs, whether it's milk, juice, anything that's remotely a little bit sloppy to eat, it's getting in your beard. Whenever I have a doner kebab, you have a doner kebab and you just bite right into that, you're gonna get chili sauce, you're gonna get juice, meat juice all over your beard. My advice, get over it. Get over it. Your beard is gonna get messy. Embrace it. Embrace the mess. You know, once I was at work, gonna go for an important meeting, and I was hungry, so I decided to get some porridge. You know where this is going, don't you? It wasn't until half an hour into the meeting where somebody actually stopped the meeting and said to me, "Mate, is that porridge in your beard?" Now don't worry about it. Embrace it. It's gonna get messy. But go to the bathroom, fix it up. Get your groom on. That's all you need to do. Just be aware of it. Number 2, the common cold. Now being sick when you don't have a beard is bad enough. But when you got a beard, especially a moustache, whoo, get ready for it. And what I mean by getting ready for it is you're gonna get all that shit in your moustache. You can't avoid it. I've tried so many techniques. I've got the tissue and I try and put the stash down, tissue, like fold it and then like over my nose and then blow, and it don't work. It took me a good few months to realize, fuck it, just blow your nose and deal with the mess afterwards. Just blow it, it's gonna get all over the place. But just go in the bathroom, wash it out, get a little style on, get back into bed. Be aware of it, but just take it with a pinch of salt, right? But it's definitely worth it for having an awesome moustache. Number 3, the constant maintenance. I mean, when you get into it, your beard is gonna be like a little baby, right? You're gonna be like looking in the mirror. It's gonna make you more vain. You're gonna have an array of products, Moustache products, I hope. You're gonna have combs, you're gonna have brushes, you're gonna have beard wash, you're gonna have conditioners, you're gonna have butters, you're gonna have oil, you're gonna have balms, you're gonna have stuff that you travel with, you're gonna have stuff that you have in one house, you might have stuff that you have in the office, you might even have stuff in the car, in your glove box. You're gonna have stuff everywhere, products everywhere. You're gonna be maintaining, you're gonna be in the car, you're gonna flap down that visor, you're gonna be like, ooh, yeah. The constant maintenance is it's a lot of work. But again, it's worth it. But be aware of it. Don't sit there and think, I'm gonna grow a beard. You know what? I'll let it go. I don't need to maintain it. Trust me, you will be maintaining your beard. Once you see how awesome it is when you're growing it, you're gonna want it to be looking its absolute best. Trust me. So number 4 is one that I was gonna put high up the list because it's happened to me like 3 or 4 times in the last year alone, and it hurts. So number 4 is the zipper. Now, when you put on a hoodie or a jacket and you zip up that coat, ooh, you better watch your beard. Now, depending on how long your beard is, you know, if you've got a really long beard, I've got quite a bit of length on my beard now. So, you know, if I zip it up to the top, I best make sure you don't catch that beard. It hurts like hell. I mean, I was in a rush one day. I put on my coat. I wasn't even thinking about it. I zipped that shit up and boom, I had tears in my eyes. I was crying like a baby. So, watch for that zipper. Be extra careful. Number 5, the never-ending questions. Oh my days. I can't tell you how many questions I get in the street all the time, constantly. That's an awesome beard. How'd you get your beard like that? Can I touch your beard? I'm like, no. Now don't get me wrong, you know, I enjoy answering questions. I enjoy people coming up to me in the office, in the street, or in the community, asking me questions, asking for advice. But, you know, I'm in the beard care game. I do this for a living. It's my business. I sell beard products and I'm passionate about it. So I don't mind answering the questions. But when I was thinking about it, for a normal bearded person, it could start getting a bit annoying for you. Again, just embrace it, you know? You want to help people understand why you grew your beard or why they have so many questions. Answer them. Either that or shade that off. Right, beardrins, finally, number 6 on my list. Bed beard. Now, this really depends on you as an individual, how you sleep. I'm a messy sleeper. I'm rolling around in my pillow and all sorts of shit. I mean, when I wake up in the morning, I look like Wurzel Gummidge. You know, I don't even know if you're old enough to remember Wurzel Gummidge. I'm showing my age now. Shit. My beard is a mess in the morning. I mean, I have things pointing this way, that way, this way, down, up. You know, it's everywhere. What you need to do is make sure you have a good beard routine. Take care of that mane when you wake up. It's also important to have a good evening routine too. That's also going to help to make sure that your beard doesn't get all messy and stuff in the middle of the night. Helps a little bit. So, beardrins, that was my top 6 worst reasons for having a beard. Now, if you want to know more, like I said earlier, I've linked up the article below. Check that out. We go in a bit more detail, a few more reasons, and you know, a bit of feedback from some of the bearded guys, like I mentioned earlier. Check that out. Also, don't forget, like this video, hit that subscribe button, and also the little bell icon. I don't know why this is not a bell, but does that look like a bell? Hit the bell icon. That way, you get notifications for all of our videos. And I'll see you later.